Alright y'all, so today I'm bringing you another simple recipe, eggnog pudding. For this we have salt, we have some nutmeg, we have some eggs, we're going to be using the egg yolks, some cornstarch, some sugar. Now you could use homemade eggnog if you would like, but we're going for simple here, so we got some store-brand eggnog. But if you prefer homemade over store-bought, go ahead and use some store-bought. Now y'all can give me all the heck we want because we have always made whipped cream here on this channel. Always, every time. We've used a lot of it. Always used homemade whipped cream. Today, we're not. We're just going with yeah. We didn't need much whipped cream. We're just using it for a garnish. So instead of making a chunk of whipped cream, we're just gonna go with some ready whip style. First things first, we gotta go over to the stove. Alright y'all, so over a medium heat, we're gonna start with 2 1/4 cups of our eggnog. Now we're gonna take 1/3 of a cup of sugar, and we're just gonna gradually add this and stir. So again, that was 1/3 of a cup of sugar. We're just gonna take a pinch of salt, or about 1/4 teaspoon. Now we're gonna gradually drop in 1 tablespoon of our cornstarch. And now we have our 3 eggs. It's egg yolks. And we're just gonna dump those in. And we're gonna get those stirred around and mixed in. And then we're gonna stir this until it starts to thicken up, which would probably be around that 5 to 7 minutes. Alright y'all, so it's beginning to thicken up and it is sticking to our whisk. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this from heat. So we have a glass bowl over here. We're gonna take our pudding mixture, now we have it in our bowl. We're just gonna firmly wrap this in saran wrap. And now we're gonna put this in the fridge for about 3 hours. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, so I said let it set up for about 3 hours in the fridge. We wound up letting it be about 5 hours in the fridge, but that doesn't hurt anything, you know, it's kind of had set up. And now, like I said, we didn't need much whipped topping, we're just doing a little bit, that's why we didn't make homemade this time around. Just gonna give it a quick little topping, and all we're gonna do now, go ahead, take a sprinkle of nutmeg, serve this up to your friends, family, or just yourself if you want. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button down below, and until next time, keep on cooking on.